Unit 4 review. Question number 11. Write an equation of the line with a slope of 5 that passes through negative 3, 1. So first thing, if I want an equation of a line, I know I'm going to have y equals mx plus b. And I'm going to label my x and my y. And I actually, if it's a slope of 5, my m will be 5. So just plug in what we know. Y is 1. M is 5. X is negative 3. Wrote over my stuff, shame on me, plus b, and now I'm solving for b, so I'll get 1 equals 5 times negative 3 is negative 15 plus b, and then we'll add 15 to both sides, and I'll get b equals 16. So the equation of my line will be y equals 5x plus 16, because I put my m back in and I put my b back in. Right, number 12, write an equation of the line that passes through negative 3, 9 and negative 5, 1. Okay, again, my whole goal is to get a y equals mx plus b. I'm going to find the slope first. If you're a labeler, x1, y1, x2, y2. So we'll do y2 minus y1. So 1 minus 9. And then over x2 minus x1, we'll get negative 5 minus negative 3. That will give me negative 8 on the top. And on the bottom, I'll get negative 2. And then negative 8 divided by negative 2 is 4. So I just found m. So now I'm going to write y equals mx plus b. I need to use one of these points. I think I'll use this one right here. So my y value I have labeled as 1. My m I just found out was 4. The x value I have labeled as negative 5 plus b, and we'll be solving for b. So I'll get 1 equals 4 times negative 5 is negative 20 plus b. To get rid of negative 20, we'll add 20 to both sides. So get b is equal to 21. So now I'm going to have y equals, my m again was 4x plus my b, which was 21. Okay, problem 13. Write an equation of the line that is perpendicular to y equals 1/3 x minus 5, and it passes through 6, 3. So I know it's going to be y equals, if it's perpendicular, if this one's 1/3, perpendicular, we do the opposite reciprocal. So if I flip it, it's going to become 3, and then the opposite of positive would be negative x. And then remember, we're just going to put plus b because I don't know where it crosses. And then I'm going to cross this off because I don't want to accidentally use it. Right, I'm going to label this point as x and y. And now again, we're just going to plug in what we know. My y is 3, my x is 6, and then I'm looking for b. So I'm going to have 3 equals negative 3 times 6 is negative 18 plus b. And then we'll add 18 to both sides. So I'll get b is equal to 21. So then my final answer is going to be, I'm just basically going back up into this equation right here and putting my b in. So it will be y equals negative 3x plus 21. All right, problem 14. Convert y minus 2 equals negative 4/5 times the quantity x minus 10 to slope-intercept form. Well, slope-intercept form is y equals form. So first thing I'm going to do on this problem is distribute to get rid of my parentheses. So I'm going to have y minus 2 equals negative 4/5 x, and then negative 4/5 times negative 10 is going to be positive 8. And then if I want this to say y equals, to get rid of the minus 2, I'll do plus 2 to both sides. So I'll get y equals negative 4/5 x plus 8 plus 2 is 10. So that would be my answer right there.